This is the Eclipse like you have configured in your system. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm going to click on File. I'm going to click on New. Here we have an option, Java project. Okay. See, where is the option Java project? We need to create any project. Okay. Suppose here it is coming project option. So now I'm going to create simple project. Okay. So I'm going to click on project. So here I'm going to select again Java project. Next. Here we need to mention our project name. Okay. You can give any project name. Suppose here I mentioned Learnbay. Okay. So it is mentioned in which location my project is going to store, because we have set that location. So here it is coming the version. Suppose in my system it is coming 16. I have selected. Now, basically when I have selected, then I need to click on next. Okay, finish. Okay, that's it. See guys, one project is created now. Yes guys. Tell me yes or no. Learn.
Yeah, yes. Sir, actually your voice is a little bit breaking.
Yes, guys, my voice is audible or not completely, but it is fluctuating.
It's breaking.
Yes, guys, I'm audible perfectly or not?
It's not clear, sir.
Okay, so let me join again. Okay, just wait. Yes, guys, now I'm audible.
Yes.
All right. So, guys, I'm going to share my screen. Is it visible? Yes, guys. So, this project we have created, it is visible now?
Yes.
Okay. So, guys, Learnbay is my project name. Source is by default package. Suppose I need to right click, okay, on this source. Suppose I need to create any class. My class name is suppose demo. Okay. Kindly remember one thing. Whenever I'm giving class name, first letter I need to keep same, capital. And package name is just nothing, just a folder. Suppose here I mention fundamentals. Okay. So public static void main is my main method. You need to select here. So when I click on finish, one program will be created. See guys, fundamental is a package name. Demo.java is a class. It is created now. Say yes or no. So now we will discuss number of things. Okay, number of things we will discuss. I will start this training from the very scratch, from the basics. Suppose I assume you don't know anything. I will start from the very beginning so you can understand each and everything easily if you did not have any knowledge of Java earlier. Okay. So this is my class demo. This is my main method. Remember one thing, main public static void main. Main method is just working as a entry point where execution of the program is starts. Okay. So first of all, I'm typing here one thing, system dot out dot println, and here I'm printing hello world. Hello world. See guys, when I'm printing hello world, system out dot println, I need to right click, then run as Java application. I need to check what is the output of this program. So when I run, so it is coming hello world. Okay, hello world should be coming. So basically right hand side there is a one console window. When I click, output should be coming, but here you notice output is not coming, right? If that window is not visible to the right hand side, or you can say here, you can shift into here also. Okay, so there is the option in window, you need to go show view, then there is a console. Okay, you can remember this option, window, show view, console. Coming up, it will come. Okay, suppose I'm going to run it again. Yeah, so window, show, console. I need to restore here. What happened here? Okay. I think window is overlapping. That's why sometimes it is happen. But this is the option where we can recover it. See, I'm clicking here. Okay. Multiple windows are coming here. Snippet, data source, server. But I want to show where this option. If this option is not coming, no issue, guys. I will restore it. It will come. So basically, when I type this system out dot println, okay. So guys, if you recall with C language, in C language, if I want to print anything, I use println, right? Println to print any message. In C++, when I need to print anything, then I need to use cout. Remember, guys? Yes, guys. Okay, so we need to print in this way. In Java, we need to use system out or println to print any message. But what is the meaning of this system? What is the meaning of this out? Println. Okay, remember one thing. In Java, there are very, very important thing I'm telling you. Okay, in complete Java, you need to follow this. In Java, every class starts with the capital letter. Okay, see guys, system is a class, string is a class inbuilt. Okay, so first letter capital now, say yes or no. System S capital, string S capital. Okay, like I'm typing here, system is a class, string is a class, but if it is a combination of more than one word, more than one word, then what happens? So it will use camel cases. Means first letter capital in each word. For example, arithmetic exception. See guys, there are two words now. Arithmetic is a first word and exception is a second word. And Java is a case sensitive language. You need to keep this order. Arithmetic A is capital, exception is E is capital. But suppose another class is array index out of bound exception. So how many words guys here? Array 1, index 2, out 3, of 4, okay, of f is small, okay, bounds 5, exception. So total 6 words. In every first letter is capital. Suppose if you mention any letter small first letter, it will give you error. Is it clear guys? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are number of inbuilt classes we need to use in Java. There are number of custom classes we need to create. So we need to follow this rule. Okay. So next rule for methods. Because students don't know this rule and they face number of syntax error. For methods in Java, every method or function starts with a small letter. Like guys, main method. See, main is a method now. Yes, guys. Small letter, right? So, like you can say skip is a method small letter, right? But same thing if I'm typing here, if it is a combination of more than one word, right? If it is a combination of more than one word, then what happens? Second word onwards, it will follow camel cases. Clear? Like 2, see 2 is small, 2 uppercase. Yes guys, clear or not? It is a combination of 3 words. First letter is small because it is a method. And if it is a combination of more than one word, second, third, means whatever the word is coming after that, first letter will be capital. Clear guys? These rules are followed in complete Java. Either you are working in Android development or you are working in Java web development, core, advanced, you need to follow this rule. Caret. Fine guys, clear or not? Okay. My next question, guys, in C language, when we are working, do you remember we are calling this header file hash include? Yes guys, remember or not? Say yes or no, please reply.
Yes sir.
And in C++, which header file we were calling? Tell me. Hash include. What is the header file name? We need to call 2 files. One is IO stream. Remember? Because hash include h contains println method. Remember, guys? Println, scanf. Remember or not? Kindly recall it. In IO stream, basically it contains cout, cin. But my question is that in Java, I did not call any package. Like in C or C++, we are using header file. In Java, we are not using header file. We are using packages. What we are using? Yes, guys? Package. Package is nothing, just a collection of classes, interfaces. So by default, package fundamental is coming because this package I have created. Okay. But my question is that when I am using system out.println to print any particular method, system belongs to which package? I'm using here one class string. String belongs to which package, guys? Did you notice? Yes, guys? Anyone have any idea who already have knowledge of Java? It is coming from which package? Because I did not import any package. Guys, please respond me because I want to make session interactive.
Java lang.
Java lang. So yes, very good. So it is coming from Java lang. So guys, in Java, there is a one package, java.lang. Okay. This package is imported by default. If you are importing or not does not matter. Java compiler import automatically. Java.lang. See, there are number of packages and classes further. Okay, ref package, reflect package. If you want to import all, you need to mention star semicolon. Clear, guys? Okay. So this package basically is a combination of many inbuilt classes. Many. For example, string is a class. For example, math is a class. For example, system is a class. Okay. Object is a class. Number of classes. And another important thing, in Java, there are number of thousands or lakhs of classes. Okay. But there is a one class which is parent of all other classes. In Java, object. O is capital. Guys, if it is a class, first letter should be capital. Object is a class which is parent of all other classes available in Java. Clear, guys? Which class parent of all other classes in Java? Object class. Which class? Object. And object belongs to which package? Java.lang, which is imported automatically. In every class, there are number of methods. For example, I say system is a class. So how you can open and check how many methods available inside a system class? You need to press Control key in your keyboard. Suppose I have pressed Control key in my keyboard. Now I'm taking cursor on system. It is coming now. Open declaration. When I click here, this class specification will open. Open now. Yes, guys. Public final class system. Yes, guys. This is a class. In this class, there are number of methods like system is a constructor. We will discuss further what is system. See, input stream in. Right now, you cannot understand who is learning Java first time, but I'm just giving you overview. So guys, we type the system.out. What is out? It is the object of print stream class. Okay. It is a object of a print stream class, which we type normally, system out.println. So guys, what is system here? System is a class. In interview, if someone asks you what is system, you need to say system is a class. What is out? Out is a object of a print stream. Which class, guys? Print stream. How you can say print stream? Suppose I press Control key again in my keyboard. I'm going to open system class. You can notice here. Where is out? Scroll down. Scroll down. See, out is here mentioned now. And it is the object of which class? Or which method? Yes, guys. Basically, print stream is internally one class, or you can say it's interface or in class. Let me check. I need to press Control key again and open print stream also. See, guys, print stream also class now internally. It's very depth. I'm going to go into very depth. So, but you need to clear one idea. If someone asks you what is system out.println, you need to say system is a class, out is a object of print stream, and what is println? Yes, guys, method. I told you method always start from small letter. So it is what is a
Method.
Is it clear to everyone, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
See, guys, whenever we create any program, we don't go into too much in depth. Okay, we just type system out or printer and hello world message is printing. But what is the story behind it? What is system? What is out? What is println? If I'm using system, if I'm using string, it is coming from which package? It should be clear to you. Another important thing, suppose I'm going to open command prompt here, CMD. You want to check method of any particular class. I told you now, like java.lang has number of classes. String is a class, math is a class, system is a class, object is a class. Every class has number of methods. So how to type? Java P. Why P? P for package. P for package. Which package? Suppose I want to check java.lang package. So guys, what is the first class in java.lang? There are number of classes. Okay, but these are the frequently used classes. Suppose I want to check first class, that is string. If it is a class, its first letter should be capital. So S is capital now. So here I need to type what? String. S is capital, right? Yes, guys. So when I need to press enter, it will display all its internal working or all its internal methods. Suppose I'm going to scroll up. See, guys. Here I type now this line. Yes, guys. Java P, java.lang.string. What is coming next? Public final class java.langstring implement java.iserializable. These are interfaces it is implement. Right now, you don't have idea what are interface, which we will discuss in upcoming sessions. So in this class, it is mentioned number of methods. See, guys. What are the methods? It is mentioned. You can check here. And these are some variables also. So these are the definition of all the methods. Okay, you can see get byte UTF-8 replace. Okay, and if I see char add function is empty function, code point add function, get byte function. When we are working with Java, we never go into too much depth. So these functions are coming from which class? How you can check the functionality of each function? So these are the functions name, index of, okay, last index of, what is the return type of each method, int. Is it clear, guys? Tell me yes or no. So similarly, suppose if I want to clear this screen, I need to type clear. Okay, or CLR, I think it will accept. Because in Linux, we use to controller, it will clear the command. So in this way, you can check of any class, guys, any class. Suppose I want to check object class, O capital object. So it will print all the method of object class. What are the method? Notify, notify all, wait method. This is an interview question. Notify, notify all and wait method belongs to which class? Object class, remember. Notify, notify all, wait method comes under multi-threading concept, which we will discuss further. So this picture is clear, guys. What is the internal working? Yes, guys. So yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So here I need to check the console, which is not coming here. Actually, it is overlapping. That's why it is not coming. Yeah, now it should come. Just wait, guys. Sometime it happen. I need to restart by IDE. Okay. So in the meanwhile, tell me, next thing I will discuss with you data type. What are the data type available in Java? Yes, Ram Prasad, tell me. What are the data type available in Java? I will type here. Are you there? Sai Ram Prasad? Anyone? Yes, guys, data types in Java. Please speak something.
String,
Integer,
Integer, okay.
float,
What?
float.
String, sir.
String, okay. String is a data type or class?
Data type, sir.
String is a data type and also class, okay? Because
Yes, sir.
S is a capital.
I know. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next,
Boolean.
Double
Boolean.
float.
Boolean, double float. Okay. What is the difference between float and double? Tell me.
Sir, float store decimal value,
Uh-huh.
and double store also decimal value, but store maximum size.
Okay. And integer, how many type of integer?
Short and long.
Short and long. Two type.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
double integer,
No, double it is mentioned, like double float. I'm asking integer how many types? It is 4 type. How many type? Yes, guys? Byte, short, int, long. How many types, guys? Integer?
White short.
What is the size of each data type? So I need to check console is coming or not. What happened today? Closing all the things. Guys, you need to run in your system. Console is coming now. Suppose I'm facing in my system issue. You need to create one class. Did you run? It is coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in my system, it is overlapping. I think I need to check it. So anyways, guys, let's discuss the next topic. I need to, I think, restore some point of my Eclipse, then it will come, no issue. So suppose I'm going to create next program. So my package name is fundamental, guys, okay? So in fundamental, suppose I'm going to right click, I'm going to create a new, I'm going to create new class. Here I mentioned data type, data types. So guys, this is a standard. Suppose here I mentioned data type class name. What I did, D capital, T capital. Why? Because it is a combination of two words, right? Make your happy. So I'm selecting main method here. When I click on finish, so program is coming. Okay. So what is our next topic here? Data type. So first the next question, how many type of data types? Okay. Data types. So basically, guys, how many type of data type? Numeric and non-numeric. Clear? or you can say primitive and non-primitive in Java. Primitive and non-primitive. So first data type is integer. Integer, okay. Integer basically, and guys, how to mention this comment? This is a single line comment, double forward slash. So comment means this line will not execute. If I want to put multi-line comment, then how I need to mention? Forward slash, then star, okay. So if I'm removing this star also, that is also fine, okay. Means whatever the line I will type in this, it will come into the form of comment. So integer basically is 4 types. First, byte. Okay, second, short. Third, int. Fourth, long. So 1 byte is a combination of how many bits, guys? Tell me. It's a
8
simple
bits.
thing. Okay. So 1 byte is a combination of 8 bits. And 1 nibble. 1 nibble, guys?
4 bits.
4 bits. And bit can be 0 or 1. This is the basic thing. Now my question is that integer is a combination of 4 subtypes: byte, short, int, and long. What is the size of byte? How many bytes it will consume in Java? How many bytes it will consume in Java? Do you know? It consumes 1 byte. How much byte? 1 byte. Means 8 bits. Short. What is the size of short data type? Yes, guys. Please
4
reply. 4 bytes? No, it's 2 bytes. Okay, means 16 bits. And int, it is
4
a combination
bytes.
of 4 bytes. Yes. 4 bytes means 32 bits. And long, 8 bytes. How many bytes? 64 bits. So, what is the maximum and smallest value of byte data type? Because you know its size is 1 byte. It's consume 8 bits. If I say what is the maximum smallest value? Byte. Yes, guys. Suppose here I'm taking one value, byte data type. Byte A is equal to 10, right? Yes, guys. So here I'm printing. If I want to print any value, see, I printed a system out or printer and guys, there is a one shortcut in Eclipse. What is the shortcut? You need to type sys in small letter, then out, okay. Then you need to press control key and then press forward enter key, okay. There is a one, don't press enter key. There is a one space now, space key, long button. You need to type this out, control key, then space bar. It will type automatically. Suppose here I mention value of A and how to print any variable plus A. Why plus? Because this is the string. If I want to print this variable also, I need to also make it as in the form of string. So when I will do plus, it will be concatenated with this string to print this thing. So basically when I'm using this variable, I'm printing byte data type. And it should print A value is 10. But in my system, it will not come because console is conflicting here today. I need to configure the setting of console. You need to check in your system. It is coming or not. Yes, guys. Let me configure it right now. See guys, it is coming, I think, because when I run, it is blinking internally. Not coming. Appearance. Okay. Show, because I can show you now output only, then you can understand. So I need to configure this thing, but I want to check. Suppose here I want to print a is equal to 10. So it will print 10, guys. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Let me check to the console why it is not coming. So basically, in the window, there is the option perspective, I think. In perspective, I think reset perspective. Now I have reset. Okay, now I'm going to run. So it is coming now. Yes, guys.
Yes.
Value of A is coming or not? Okay, fine. Value of A is coming. That is 10. But my question is that what is I'm using which data type, guys? Byte now. What is the size? 8 bits. So here I'm using 10. Suppose here I'm using 127. 127. Now I'm going to run it again. Okay, it is coming. But when I'm giving 128, it is giving error now. Yes, guys? Tell me yes or no. What is the error? Yes, guys, what's the error? Type mismatch. Cannot convert from int to byte. It is coming or not? If it is coming, what is the reason? Anyone? Yes, guys? Because byte is a combination of one byte. Its size is 1 byte. And it's 8 bits. Okay. 8 bits in programming language, we can type 0 to 7. Total 8 bits. Okay. Computer understand only 2 number, that is binary number 0 and 1. So I need to type 2. 2 raised to power. 2 raised to power. What is the maximum size of bits here? Suppose 8 bits. 8 bits, how I can type? 0 to 7. So what is the maximum size? 7 now? Yes, guys? So I type here 7. So 2 raised to power 7. What is the output? Yes, guys? It will display minus 27 to sorry, minus 128 to positive 127. Clear, guys? Yes, guys? You can give any value between in this range. Minus 128 to 127. Suppose when I'm giving here 127, it is in range, right? Then there is a no problem, no error is coming. But when I'm giving out of its range 128 is not present in this range. Yes, guys? Tell me yes or no. Please say yes or no. Speak something.
Can you ask again?
I need to repeat again.
Yeah, please repeat it.
See, if I'm using byte data type, what is the size? 1 byte. In 1 byte, how many bits? 8
8
now.
bits.
And 8 we can type 0 to 7.
Yes.
Compiler assume. Compiler start from 0 to 7 is a 8 bits, right? If you count. So computer understand only two numbers, 0 and 1. So I type here 2. Power, what is the maximum size? 7 now. So I type here 7. So 2 raised to power 7. What is the output? 128. So what I need to mention, minus 128 to 1 less its value, that is 127 positive. So in this range, you can assign any value. Suppose when I assign value 127, 127 comes in this range now. Yes, guys?
Yes.
So there is no error. But when I'm trying to outside this range, suppose 129, it is not present in this range. It is giving error. Yes, guys? And
Yeah.
what is the error?
Yes.
It is time mismatch cannot convert from int to byte. Means it cannot convert from int to byte. So we cannot give any value which is out of its range. Okay. So this is a reason. Suppose I'm moving to another data type. That is short. That is a short. Suppose b is equal to 130. Error is coming or not? Not coming now. So what is the size of short? 2 byte. 2 byte is a combination of 16 bits. 16 bits, how I can type? 0-15, right?
Okay.
The computer understand how many symbols? Only 2 or numeric value? 0 and 1. 2 raised to power 15. What is the value of 15? 32,768. It will be negative
Minus.
2, 1 less positive, right?
Yes.
So this is a range. Means whenever you are using short data type, this is a minimum value, this is a maximum value, right? So similarly, when I'm going to give short data type, suppose I'm assigning 32,767. You can assume this is the value I mentioned. So there is a no problem. So here I'm suppose going to print this method system out or println value of a B short data type. Okay. So I need to print B. So I need to run it. Coming up 32,767. Yes, guys. But if I'm trying to give one above value which is not come under its range, suppose 8, giving error or not? Yes, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So remember in Java, when you use equal symbol, this is right hand side value, this is left hand side value. Right hand side value stored into left hand side. Okay. So basically when it comes out of its range, so compiler assuming it's more than its range. Suppose what message is coming, you need to read properly. Type mismatch. Okay, sorry, type mismatch cannot convert from int to short. What is the size of int? Tell me. What is the size of int data type?
4 bytes.
4. So now compiler assuming it is int type. Okay, suppose it is 4 bytes. This is right hand side value. What is the left hand side value size? What is the size of short? 2.
2 bytes.
So tell me, so what problem is coming internally? Now compiler assuming my right hand side is 4 byte, my left hand side is 4 byte. Or you can say, can 4 persons sit on 2 chairs? Tell me. Can 4 persons sit on 2 chairs?
No, sir. No, sir.
It will create problem. Similarly, compiler assuming 4 byte data cannot store into 2 byte space, right? Is it clear?
Okay.
Because this is an equal operator, assignment operator. Assignment operator, what is the meaning of assignment operator? Whatever the right hand side value, it will be stored into left hand side value. Clear?
Yes.
We are not just comparing, we are assigning the value. Which value will be assigned? Whatever value you mention right hand side, it will be stored into left hand side. The candidate who are experienced in this batch, they know this thing already because this is a very basic thing. But the candidate who are learning from the scratch, it is very important thing, right? Fine, guys. So compiler assuming it is 4 byte because it is coming out of its range. But when I mention it's a range now, then it is both are 2 byte. Both are a 2 byte range internally, then there is a no problem. When you are, see, same thing if I do here in byte also, if I mention 28, it is giving error. Why? Because compiler thinks byte size is 1 byte. And now when you are assigning the value 128, it is giving error, cannot convert from int to byte. What is the size of int? 4 now? Yes, guys? So can 4 bytes store into 1 byte space?
No, sir.
So that's why problem is coming now. Okay. Now my next question, in both data type, every time this message is coming, type mismatch, cannot convert from int to byte, cannot convert from int to short. Coming now here also. Why every time int is coming? From int to short, from int to byte. Because integer is 4 type, byte, short, int, long. Remember one thing, in Java, int and double are literal. Are what? Yes, guys? Literal means by default, compiler assume this data type. Is it clear? Yes, guys? If I'm using any fraction value, decimal value, then compiler think it is a double data type. But if I'm using any integer value, complete value, then compiler think it is an integer data type. Clear or not? Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, you can use short data type, okay, by data type. Suppose if I'm using int, now 32,770, okay, see, it's a long value it is storing. Long value it is storing because its size is bigger than short. How much size it is storing? 4 byte. Double now from short. Is it clear or not? Okay. So guys, when anyone start learning Java, they are using int of a is equal to 10, they are printing. They don't go into too much depth, which I'm explaining you. Because I want to clear your basics strong, then it will be easy to learn Java further. Okay. Now my next data type, float. Float D is equal to 3.14. Error is coming now. Yes, guys. Now what error is coming? Type mismatch. Cannot convert from double to float. Why it is coming double? I told you now, int and double are literal. Yes, guys. If it is a fraction value, what compiler assume it is what type? Double type. But why error is coming? Float is a 4 byte size. What is the size of float? Suppose here I need to mention float size is 4 byte. How much byte? Yes, guys. And double is 8 bytes. So, do you think 4 byte can store the small value now? 3.14 is not a big value. Yes, guys. Why it is giving error? Suppose I need to mention in comment. Same thing. I mentioned with double data type. E is equal to 3.14. Now error is coming. Yes, guys. Error is coming or not? Tell me.
No.
Why? When I mention float, error is coming. But when I mention double, error is not coming. What is the reason? And this value is very, very small. You cannot say it is a bigger than 4 byte size. Because whenever you use any fraction value in points, compiler assume it is a double type. Compiler assume it is a what type? Whenever you use any point form, decimal form, what compiler assume it is what type?
Double.
Double. Okay. What is the size of float? 4 byte. And here compiler assuming 3.14 is double type. What is the size of double? 8 byte. So 8 byte can store into 4 byte. Tell me. Because I told you now this is a assignment operator. Right hand side value going to store into left hand side variable, right?
Yes.
So can 8 byte can store into 4 byte?
No.
So this is a problem. Here both are 8 byte, left hand side also, right hand side also. So whenever you are using float, compiler set one rule, you need to mention in the end F. When you mention F, then compiler think it's not a double type, it is a float type value. Now both will become 4. Clear? Is it clear or not?
Yeah, but the range will be the same like integer.
Float and integer size is same. See, integer size also 4 byte, float also 4 byte. Clear?
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, that means the Java compiler thinks that float type is a double type.
Yes. If you don't mention F in the end, by default, why it assume? Because I told you int and double both are literal. Here I mentioned in
Okay.
Java, int and double are literal, means by default compiler assume this is data type by default. If you take any fraction or decimal, compiler assume it is a by default double type. If any range out of its range, compiler think it is a integer type, right?
Okay, sir.
And here you can mention capital F also, small f also. If you okay, then compiler think it's not a double type, it's a float type. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another data type is what? Char. Character. It occupy how much space? How many bytes?
One
Tell me.
byte.
2 bytes.
Oh, 2 bytes.
2 bytes. Same scenario, right? So every character we need to mention in single quote. Suppose C variable name is rank. Okay. Here I need to mention A. I need to mention single quote now. Yes. Tell me yes or no. Because it is a character.
Yeah.
Character value we always mention in single quote. Okay. One more thing. Suppose here I mention character value is A, right? Because A is already, rank now, rank. Now you can see character value is A, right? Okay. Suppose if I mention +2, what happened? Yes. If A +2, what happened, guys? Tell me. Okay, you will confuse. Suppose if I change its data type int, now what will happen? Int rank is a integer type variable. Yes, guys. Tell me yes or no.
Sir.
But
Yes, sir.
right hand side, I'm taking character. Why character? Because I am using single quote. Whatever value you put into single quote, it means you are assuming it's a character. So rank right hand side value will be stored into left hand side, my rank variable. And this rank variable I'm printing here. What it will print? Tell me.
The memory.
ASCII
Sorry?
value of A.
What is ASCII value of A?
67.
It's, I think, 9. Let me run. The 97 is coming now. So guys, in Java, basically character has some ASCII value. Suppose A is 97, okay? B is 98, C is 99, so onwards, right? Clear? Similarly, capital A is equal to 65, capital B is equal to 66, capital C is equal to 67 onwards. So when I'm assigning to integer, it will print its ASCII value, that is 97. Suppose in this ASCII value, I mention +2, what will happen? It will print which value? Here. Tell me. Yes?
Value of C. 99.
99, right? 99. 99 is coming. Or if I'm using here char, now it will become character. Yes, guys? I'm printing character value now. See, A ASCII value is 97. 97 plus 2, 99. What is the value of 99 character? See now? Yes, guys? CC is coming.
Yes.
Suppose I want to capital A and small a. What is the difference? 32. What is the difference? 32. Suppose what I do here, minus 32. So this is a small a, its value, ASCII value is 97. If I do minus 32, it will become capital A. Yes, guys? Small a will become capital A now if I subtract minus 32. Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is a logic if you want to change its uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase. Clear? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So this is a character data type. Now next is string. Guys, string is a class. Okay, string is a class also working as a data type, and string is a full-fledged topic which we will cover further also. Suppose I am printing hello. Remember one thing, string we always take in double quote. Double quote. Character we always take in single quote. Is it clear? String we always assume in a double quote. If it is single quote, compiler assume it is a character, it is not a string. But when you put into double quote, then compiler think it's a string. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
String is, then you need to plus name. Fine. So this is all about data type. I will upload notes also. Now, suppose I'm going to create one more program. It is related to typecasting. Which one, guys? Typecasting. Main method. Suppose, guys, listen very carefully. I have one method, public. I will explain to each and everything in the upcoming topic, what is public, why I'm using why. Okay. This is a show method. Show method. Show. In this show, I'm printing any message. This is show method. Fine. So guys, this is a function. This is a main method. Remember one thing, when I will run this program, execution always start from main method, line number 12. When I will run this program, execution start from which line number? Line number 12. Fine. So this is a function. If I want to call this function, how I can call? First, I need to create object of this class. Okay, so what is the syntax of creating object? First, you need to take this class name, then obj, then new keyword, then again repeat class, then round bracket. Now this is what object of this class. How to create object? In this way. Is it clear? Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
How to create object of the class in this way. So how to call, this is a what? Method, or you can say member function. This thing I will discuss in next session basically. But if I want to call this function, I can call with the help of object. Okay. So how I need to call? obj.show. Fine, guys? obj.show. See, when I will run, it will start from line number 12 because this is the main method, and main method execution start. Then it will create object of the class. With the help of object, I can call any function which is present inside the class. So when I'm running this program, it is calling this function, show, from line number 18. It is printing, this is show method now. Yes, guys? Output is coming now.
Yes.
Okay, suppose in this function, I'm taking one variable byte. X, clear? Yes, guys? I'm printing here byte value is plus X. Is it clear? So if I pass here 10, show method. I need to save it also. Okay. Byte is a function, and here I need to call this show function basically, and I need to save it. So similarly, I'm going to take one more function, copy paste, okay? But here I'm taking which data type? Short. Which data type? Yes, guys? Short. Now I'm going to paste again. Now I'm going to take which data type? Int. And I'm changing the message also. Are you getting or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So why I'm taking all this data type? Because integer is 4 type now. Yes, guys. Byte, short, long, right? Tell me yes or no?
Yes, we have 4.
And function name is sync. Show. I have defined 4 functions, but different type of parameter. Like First function I'm taking byte, second short, third int, then long. Then here I'm calling this function show. Obj.show, I'm passing 10. So 10 can be stored into byte also, 10 can be stored into short also, 10 can be stored into int also, 10 can be stored into long also. My question is that when I will run this program, which function will be called? I'm asking all of you.
So it will call it
Sorry,
integer.
int.
Yeah, int.
What is the reason?
So it's a default variable.
It will call int because it is a literal. We discussed na?
Yeah, correct.
We discussed na by default.
Literal.
Int and double are literal. Here I'm passing basically integer value. So it will by default compiler think this value belongs to integer type, right? Is it clear to everyone? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
I'm going to run it, you can see output. Value of int is int value 10. It is printing which one? Int. Because in every message I mentioned the data type also. Okay. So if I'm commenting int, what will be the output now? Tell me. Now I have commented int show function, int parameter show function. What is the output now? Yes, please. What is the output?
Long.
Why?
The next, it is having higher memory of acceptance.
Yeah. So guys, it will print long. Suppose, what is the reason? Suppose your salary is 10,000. Okay. After 1 year, 2 years, suppose you are going to switch your job. Definitely you are looking high. If you think, if you are receiving 25,000 in next job, definitely you will switch. So when int data type is not available, what is the size of int? 4 byte. So compiler always look higher data type. Compiler always look a higher data type size. So higher data type size is long because its size is 8 byte more than 4 byte, right? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So that's why it will be long one. You can remember this rule, salary hike. Okay. It is called type promotion concept. Type promotion. Long value is 10. Suppose I'm going to comment long also. See guys, now error is coming. Suppose you are receiving 10,000 salary in the beginning and you are fired or due to some reason another job is available. Okay, you are unable to do current job. So another job is available on 5,000. So are you able? You will be ready to work on 5,000 if you are getting 10,000 right now. Tell me yes or no.
Mostly no.
No. See, short size is 2 byte. Okay, and byte size is 1 byte. But my current size of int is what? 4. So if it is storing 4 byte, it cannot store into 2 and 1. So below you cannot go. So that's why it is giving error. It is showing you what error you can read here. This method show byte in the type casting is not applicable for argument int. Is it clear? See guys, is it clear or not?
Yeah,
Yes.
actually, I have a doubt actually.
Yes.
Byte can accept the integer, I mean the value 10.
No, this same thing I'm telling you now. Byte can accept 10. That is fine. But by default, compiler think 10 is what type? Int.
Okay, integer.
Int size is 4 byte.
Yes.
So 4 byte, if you try to store into short, which is 2 byte, cannot means able to store 2 byte space in 1 byte also, right? So same example I have given you now. If you are earning 10,000, you will be ready to work on 25,000, no issue. But you cannot ready to work on below salary, right? Clear or not?
Even though it has eligibility, but it will not consider that.
Yeah. Means you need to assume in this way.
Okay.
So is it clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Rahul,
guys.
one doubt from this.
Yes, yes, please.
Previously, when we entered like 10 value, when we have only this show byte function, it displayed 10 value, right?
Huh. Because at that time we have only one option. Now we have multiple options, multiple function available. Are you getting? At that time I was assigning the value. Now I'm passing the parameter. When I'm passing the parameter, it is confused. Byte or show.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. Any other doubt, guys? Anyone? So guys, this is our first session. I tried my best to deliver. So today we have installed JDK Eclipse, and today we have discussed how to create a program, how to create package, and how I can mention comment, and what are the basic rules which we have covered, like data type, its size, and how to handle the scenario if it comes beyond its value. So you need to practice. I will upload the notes also in Google Drive. Okay, you can access it there. So till now it is clear to everyone, because this is our first session. It takes time to understanding and configure software, right?
Rahul, in this case, how should we call this byte function?
If you want to call byte function, then we need to pass byte data type. Suppose here I need to mention byte here. Okay. If I need to mention byte here in round bracket, so it will typecast. It will convert this 10 into byte data type. Now it has clear idea which function we need to call. Clear?
Okay.
This is called typecasting. Means one data type to convert into another data type, right? So by default, 10 compiler will be in int, but when I mention in round bracket byte, it will convert into byte. Clear? Now, if I'm going to run it, you can see the output. See, byte value 10 is coming now.